We're going to turn it off now, guys. See, guys? So we're going to turn off our flame now, guys. That's the gravy. And guys, we can't allow this to dry out anymore, to cook down anymore, so we don't have any gravy to eat or food. And especially good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Whatever time of the day it is, wherever you are, I hope you're having a wonderful time. Guys, always remember to give God thanks for the gift of life. Guys, welcome back to Elaine's Creative Cooking. Guys, today I'm going to cook some brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. And guess what? I have seasoned up my chicken ahead of time. So I'm going to show you what the seasoned chicken looks like. And then we just get right ahead into our brown stew chicken. So before I do that, the pot is over here heating up. I'm going to add some oil to our pot. And guys, brown stew chicken is when you brown off the chicken and then you cook it down in a sauce. So guys, take a look at our chicken. This is the chicken. I've already seasoned it. I seasoned it ahead of time, guys. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you our ingredients. These are what I'm going to put in there. Yeah, I have some sweet pepper. I have some crushed pimento berries right here. I have a piece of parsley and I have my thyme. I have my chopped scallion here and I have my onion. And I have some garlic right here. I have a few pegs of garlic right here. Sorry, the onion cover it. And see, I have 2 pegs of garlic right here and a piece of pepper. So this is what I'm going to add to the oil to flavor the oil. And here I have my Irish potato. I'm going to put this Irish potato in the chicken while it is browning off, and this will help to thicken our gravy. This is what we're going to serve. Here we have some rice and peas here, steaming hot. We're going to serve our brown stew chicken with that, and here I have some veg, some stir-fried veg. So guys, let's start the ball rolling. So we just use the garlic, guys, and this piece of pepper for flavor. Not too much spicy because I am afraid of pepper. So now, guys, this chicken is seasoned. I grated some ginger and I grated some onion on it. So what I have to do now, I have to make sure I scrape off all those seasoning before I put it in the pot, or else it will burn. See, guys, so I'm going to scrape them. Just take a spoon, like I'm going to use a spoon or a fork just to get rid of some of the, we don't want it to burn. So guys, you know this chicken is well soaked, as what we Jamaican would say. Well soaked, seasoning well soaked up in it, guys. Season well soaked in this, guys. So guys, just going right to the pot now, right to the pot. I'm going to drop this. Okay, guys. I'm going to scrape off another piece. And to get rid of all the seasoning, because we don't want it to burn. And guys, I season this chicken with all-purpose chicken, all-purpose seasoning. And my black pepper, I had a little black pepper on it. I had my adobo. And I had some paprika. Guys, we don't want to overcrowd the pot because we don't want it to start it to steam. So guys, we're going to try and get off some more. And guys, I'll put my stove on medium. So guys, here we're going to try and add in the potato, because this is going to help to give our gravy some body. So that's how I do it, guys. So right now, guys, I am going to finish get off the seasoning. And guys, I forget to tell you, I had a little bit of mushroom sauce while I was seasoning up this chicken. Add a little bit to it, guys, just a little. So here it is, guys, here it is. So I'm gonna, and guys, I don't lock the wings. We're going to want that this same juice from the chicken to add to our pot, to add to it when we are cooking it down. And guys, you can see it's just a few pieces of chicken. So guys, you can cook what amount of chicken, all depends on your family and it depends on you. So see there, guys. So guys, let's go over to our pot, and I hope it's not foggy. Okay, look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Look at that color. Look at the color, guys. Turning the potato. Let me see what this drumstick looks like. We Jamaican, we call it the leg. Alright, that's not ready to turn as yet. So see it there, guys. That's what it looks like. So we call that brown stew. Brown it off first, and then we fry, and then we cook it down. Sorry, we brown it off first, and then we cook it down. So that is what we Jamaican call brown stew. And this is our way of brown stewing our chicken. Brown it off first, and then we stew it down in some whatever, with a water or some chicken stock. Okay, guys, these two pieces they can remove from the pot now, and I also remove the Irish potato. So I'm going to rest these right here. Look at the color, guys. I'm going to rest these right there, and then we're going to put some more pieces in the pot. So I'm going to go again, with a tie this time. And guys, because we don't want our chicken to burn, it will burn up before it starts to brown off, getting off all those excess. So that's, guys, I turn my skin side down. Skin side down. Turn my stove on max instead of medium. So this is it, guys. Skin side down. You see it here, guys. This is the color what it have. And guys, what I want to say, this mushroom sauce. I had a little on the chicken because you cannot add too much or else the chicken will get black. So I just add a little on it. So guys, as soon as these brown off, I will come back again. Okay guys, I'm back. So see here guys, I have to change my pot because this is my favorite pot in the kitchen that helps me to with my frying or my browning of my meat. So I had was to change it guys. So now I'm going to put this there. And I'm going to put the wing. This little bad boy here guys is my favorite little pot in the kitchen. This little Dutch pot here. It does all the miracles. Okay guys, here is our chicken. We finished browning them off. And guys, when you're browning your chicken, you can either do it at medium or high heat. So guys, what I do now, I have to turn back to the first pot what I was using. So here's the oil. We don't need this oil anymore. We don't need this oil. So I throw off the oil, and then we need the bits and pieces down there because that is what is going to help to flavor our pot. So see there guys, see there, and it have that pretty color. I don't add nothing to it, no browning, nothing like that. I don't add to it. So letting up all those bits and pieces from down there. So guys, this is, I rinse out the pan, the container that the chicken seasoned into. So I'm going to add a little bit of the mushroom sauce to it, just a little. I'm going to add a little more because we don't want our chicken to dark or black. Then we don't want it to too dark. So I'm going to add this to the pot. Not adding no oil in there guys because the chicken, there's oil right down here in the pan. And guys, I forget to tell you, I cut some carrots and I just put them along with the chicken to sort of sear off. So now guys, I am going to add these to our pot. I have to use back this pot guys, to use back this one because this one will hold them better, but that little small one there, it does all the trick in this kitchen. So we just put in our Irish potato in there too. See the pan there guys, it's having a little grease in it, so I'm going to rinse it out. I have some hot water here in my little thermos. Here, so I'm going to just pour a little in here just to rinse it out, as we are not adding no grease, no oil back to the pot. We're not adding back no oil in the pot. So see there guys. So we are going to allow this to cook for a couple of minutes, and then we come back and add. Allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then guys, we come back and add our seasoning, which is right here. I'm going to put in the pimento berries. No, see there guys, see there, look at that color, look at it guys, see guys. So you can see look at the oil that comes from the chicken. No, don't need no more guys. This is what comes from the chicken. See it there? You guys. So I'm going to cover this down, guys, and allow it to just cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we come back and we had our rest of our seasoning. And guys, remember, everybody cooks different. This is my way of doing my chicken. If you want to add your chicken first in the pot and then you add your liquid, that's fine. Show you know what is happening in the pot. See guys, this is what is happening right here. This potato will help to thicken the gravy. I'm going to add our seasoning now. Our seasoning, guys, I'm going to add a pepper just for flavor, because I am afraid of pepper. Just for flavor, guys, I'm going to add a green pepper. Guys, I'm going to add some ketchup. Let me just scrape all the seasoning in the pot, guys, and then I'll show you what is happening here. Everything I'm putting in right now. Sweet pepper, everything. Guys, always remember to taste for salt and flavor, guys. Remember to taste your pot. Taste as you go along. Remember that these seasonings are very salty. See it there, guys. So I'm going to add a little more, put in some more water from my thermos here. And I'm going to pour in some ketchup. Guys, I hope it's not foggy. And I'm going to pour in a little braised fish and meat sauce. And here, guys, I'm going to put in just a dash of salt, because I tasted it. I taste it, guys. Some fish and meat sauce. Shake the bottle, see it there, guys. Fish and meat sauce, guys, just a little. See there, guys, just a little. See there, guys. So guys, as soon as this cook down, where we reach that consistency, where we want that thickness of that gravy, I will come back to you. See there, guys, see there. We're going to allow it now to simmer down some more. Guys, always remember to taste for flavor and taste for salt. And if you want to add whatever you want to add, whatever more it wants, whether it wants some salt, you put it in. Whether it wants some more seasoning, whatever seasoning you use, you can put it in. So for now, right now, I'm going to taste. Guys, this color in this pot here is looking so good. So I'm going to taste, guys. Yes, guys. We still want nothing more. No more salt, no more seasoning. No more powdered seasoning, and no salt. It's fine right here. So see it here now, guys. So I'm going to cover our pot now and allow it to simmer until it reach that consistency, and then the chicken will also finish cook. Okay guys, I am back. See it here guys, see it here guys, look at it. We're going to turn it off now guys. I'm going to turn off. See guys, so we're going to turn off our flame now guys. That's the gravy. And guys, we can't allow this to dry out anymore, to cook down anymore, so we don't have any gravy to eat our food. And especially many of us who love a lot of gravy. This is it guys, this is the finishing. This is it guys, this is it. See it there guys, so I'm going to turn off the flame now. See it there guys, turn off the flame, hope it's not foggy. And guys, when you see me back, when I come back, guys, when I come back, your plate will be ready. Okay guys, I am back with the finishing dish of our brown stew chicken. So here is it guys, here is your dish. This is your plate guys, and this is the final dish of our brown stew chicken. And I served it up with some stir-fried veg and some rice and peas. And this stir-fried veg is pak choy and carrots, and I stir-fried it in some garlic and a little butter guys. So guys, please do enjoy this dish that I made especially for you today. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along with me guys. Guys, please remember to share and like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up guys. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you all.